Que no vamos a tener paso, se va a cortar, ya se cortó la carretera, mire.
Para que al rato su novia le diga, ah, ya no es lo mismo. Siento que ya...
On the night of Monday, September 23rd, Tropical Hurricane John hit Mexico's southern Pacific coast. Just before making landfall, it showed explosive strengthening. Within just 21 hours,
para prestar este servicio de la luz a las colonias que ahorita se han visto afectadas por la falta de luz.
It went from a storm with winds of 40 miles per hour to a Category 3 hurricane with gusts up to 120 miles per hour. The hurricane struck 80 miles east of Acapulco, causing floods, power outages, and significant damage to Guerrero State's infrastructure.
Tanto de la información oficial sobre el clima. Ubica tu refugio temporal más cercano en caso de evacuación por si...
Most of the coast lost power, leaving more than 60,000 people in the dark. In the town of Markelim, near the center of the storm, winds ripped roofs off houses and knocked down power lines. According to the mayor of Markelim, the town had never experienced such powerful wind gusts. Highways were blocked by fallen trees, and authorities canceled school in several coastal areas. Two people died in a landslide in the remote mountain town of Tlacoacistlahuaca. Later, it was reported that another person died in Malinaltepec, also due to a landslide. In the state of Oaxaca, 3,000 people were evacuated and 80 shelters were opened. By Tuesday, the storm moved northwest, gradually weakening. The National Hurricane Center reported that the storm's slow movement at 12 miles per hour would result in catastrophic rainfall along both the coast and inland. This poses a threat of flash flooding and landslides in the states of Chiapas, Oaxaca, and Guerrero.
¿Sabe de quién será? Allá hay un tinaco, hasta acá vino a dar un tinaco.
Meteorologists noted that the unexpected strengthening of the hurricane caught everyone off guard. AccuWeather's senior meteorologist Matt Binns stated that such sudden surges in hurricane strength are becoming more common due to ocean warming.
Amigos, pues.
The global ocean temperature reached record highs in 2023, and unfortunately, 2024 is continuing that trend. The warmer the water, the stronger the hurricanes, bringing more rain and destruction. Additionally, warmer oceans evaporate more moisture into the atmosphere, leading to heavier rains and floods. Scientists have already developed technologies that can quickly and effectively reduce atmospheric humidity, helping to decrease the frequency and intensity of disasters. This will give humanity more time to address the looming climate crisis. For more on these solutions, watch the film, Water from Air: The Path to Saving Humanity. It's up to us. Watch the film, and you'll understand how important this is.